If you have a first generation Honda Element, you should definitely get a TPMS system installed. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. We have a sensor for all 4 wheels, and we actually have the screen that'll tell you, or the display that'll tell you what you need to know about your tires. So here's the manual. It says to install the screen first, or the gadget, then install the caps for all 4 wheels. That's it. So it's pretty simple. This gadget actually comes with a Type-C. I don't know if you can see that. It's a Type-C and a USB and a Type-C. In case you still want to charge your phones, you can do that. So let's plug this in here and see what we get. Turn the key on to the ignition position. All right, sweet. We're gonna install these next. These do come marked, if the camera will pick it up, but left front, left right, rear front, rear right. Okay, so this is rear right. If you hear a hissing sound, that's fine. Just tighten it all the way, and the hissing will stop. We didn't even have a cap there, so right front. So again, you're gonna hear a hissing sound. Tighten it all the way, and it'll stop bleeding the air. You should be good. All right, so then we're gonna proceed to do the same thing on the other 2 tires. So as you can see, the gauge is already doing its job. 32.29, 32.17. The left rear is tires low, so you're gonna have to take care of that. And it also shows temperature of the tire. Sweet. Is this mod worth it? For about $25, you cannot go wrong with something like this. I was actually very surprised to see how accurate this was. I'll leave a link down below where you can actually get the same one that I have. Anyway, that's it for me today. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.